If you're watching this video, there's a very strong chance, a very strong possibility that you have been suffering for a long time from psoriasis, acne, skin lesions, skin eruptions, and you've been to many doctors, many medical doctors, including dermatologists and skin specialists. There's also a strong chance you've been to other modalities like Ayurvedic medicine, Chinese medicine, acupuncture, essential oils. But what we found by over 40 years, that these modalities don't always give you the complete picture in healing. They might give you a reduction in inflammation, but not enough to clear the psoriasis or other skin disease. So what we've been using is a series of really proven superfoods, and those superfoods, when we combine them the way we teach you, they will help you greatly into repairing the tissue on the outside from clearing the inside. Now, one of the ones we use every single day is what we call the baby spinach or the normal spinach. Now, you can get these quite fresh every day. Now, this one is got about 120 grams, about 120 grams of fiber, okay? So it'll be vary between 100 and 220 grams. Now, you should eat one of those if you've got psoriasis or some other skin problems, serious. You should eat one of those every day, either at lunchtime or evening as part of a salad. So all you do is you cut the bag out, put it into a colander, wash it thoroughly, put it in the bottom of a salad bowl, add your tomatoes, your cucumber, celery, and so on. Why is this one so important? The spinach is a very strong superfood. It is full of iron, it's full of potassium, it's got silica, it's got calcium, it's got magnesium in it. It's also got a lot of insoluble fiber, and that helps you to get rid of toxins lodged in your intestinal system. More important than anything else is this one is a food that's rich in the iron, which iron is very important to reduce inflammation. So you need at least one bag of that every single day in your salad to create that anti-inflammation effect. Now, what I recommend to make it more effective is that with the cucumber with the skin on, some cocktail tomatoes, and some celery. That's a good combination, good base combination. You could even put some mango and pineapple with it to give you a strong anti-inflammatory base, and that will help you to heal your psoriasis much faster.